Hello, my name is Saketh, and the project I'm gonna share to you is the alarm system. My goal was to make an alarm system that works. My design was that the ultrasonic sensor calculates how far an object is. The lights and buzzers turn on depending on how far the object is. Build. I use components like LEDs, ultrasonic sensors, Raspberry Pi, wires, resistors, and a buzzer. My program. So the top block is that it calculates the distance between the ultrasonic sensor and the object. And the bottom block here is that it turns on the LED depending on the distance. Test. I tested it 35 to 40 times. One challenge I faced was that my code kept on disappearing. I solved it by making sure I saved the code every time. We think. If I had more time, I would add another speaker and an LCD display. Play.
Go ahead and run it.
You didn't plug in the keyboard.
Yeah, other keyboard.
No, you didn't plug it in.
So as you see here, every time I put my hand or an object, every light keeps on moving. Every light keeps on lighting. And then when I get too close, the buzzer buzzes.
Can you put it in your hand like this so we can all see?
Yeah, there you go. So try and pick it up.
Okay, so that is my project. Thank you.
Right. All right. Does everybody have any questions for Saketh?
How did you put in the buzzer?
I have a breadboard here, and then the buzzer is this, so I just put it like that.
What's a unit of measurement that you're using for the ultrasonic sensor? Are you using inches, centimeters, miles, feet?
Centimeters. I think.
Centimeters?
Yeah.
How did you feel? Was it fun as your first project? Or did you feel scared about presenting?
Kind of scary.
What was the best part?
The best part was probably adding all the wires.
All right, let's give him a round of applause.